December 26th Hangout for PySoy and CopyleftGames. And we'll be starting by Kinshuk's presentation on how to start and install PySoy and libsoy on the Raspberry Pi. So let's watch the video.
First of all, we install material so we can get the source code. So it's already installed. Now we'll open the terminal and now we'll these files are hosted at this link in the install file. So we download this one. Then we'll install file. So now I'll just write at 100 MB. This will the user live package configure. Now we configure it. For that we have to install the dependency. So here find the dependencies. We copy this from the install file. List all the dependencies. Now some time slice. is everything on the website, so I have to trust them. I think that's it.
All right.
Mm, Have you turned the volume down because people couldn't hear a thing?
Really?
Check check the web chat. Arc,
Yeah, I
even
just
Arc.
I just saw it. I can't see the web chat when I'm screen sharing, so sorry about that. Let's just stop presenting to everyone. Okay. Yeah, I think that might be a driver issue. Okay, so let's go to question and answer, I guess, on that. Oops. What would you say the most difficult part of the setup was?
Oh, can you hear me?
Yeah, now I can hear you.
Oh,
Yeah,
sorry, I was muted.
yeah.
Sorry.
What was the
Uh,
most difficult part of the setup for the Pi?
I was saying that without the instructions, people would most probably lost about the missing package config files, and that I guess that's the most confusing part. Yeah.
Okay, so the package config files. Yeah, those were pretty difficult. When I made those instructions, I found that that was pretty confusing. Um, yeah, so now there's actually packages for the Raspberry Pi for people that just want to install them
Yeah.
as dependencies that I made, and those should make that a bit easier.
Yeah.
You still have to install those package config files before you build the package if you're going to build it, though. Um,
Uh, any more questions? I guess.
yeah, if there's no more questions, then we can move on to the next topic. Um, since there's not too many topics, I guess I can present a bit about um, the current state of CopyleftGames projects. Uh, I'll just go briefly over the different projects that are going on and where they're at. Um, so there's three major projects. There's libsoy, pysoy, and vox.gl at the moment. Um, pysoy and libsoy uh, are somewhat fully featured. They need refinement mostly, uh, but for the most part, they contain a lot of the structure that should be in the final product or for the official release. Um, there are some issues with specifically with Raspberry Pi, which is a pretty important platform, with speed and with some of the examples not running properly that need to be looked into. And that's about where PySoy and LibSoy are at. Then there's Vox.gl, which is a new project, and that project is just really in its infancy. And the idea with that is to make a WebGL voxel-based game that will be under the AGPL license and should be much more productive to develop. Arc has been working on Docker containers to allow students who don't have access to Linux to work on that project, and I think they're just about finished. I have to wait for Arc on that, but they're supposed to be just about finished, and that should really allow the tasks on Google Coding to pick up. So that's about where things are at. Um, yeah. Does anyone have any questions?
No.
No, I guess not. Okay, so Not too much going on in this Hangout, it seems. So I guess we can call it an end if there's nothing else that anyone has to present or say.
Yeah.
Uh, Thanks to all our presenters, and we'll see you next time.
Yeah.